Hey, good evening or good day, wherever you are and whatever time it is in the day or night. The name I go by is Digital Granny. If you've never met me before, my name is Paula. Tonight, I'm going to go over the smartest route to 10K month in a month, okay, in 2025. How is that even possible? I would have asked you the same thing had it not been for what I have gone through in the last few months, probably about 6 months now. I cannot believe the opportunity in this business. So I'm not talking about a whole bunch of different things to choose from. This is one thing, one route, not 10. I will go over this in detail with you in as short as possible time. And let's just jump into this, okay? So, what I do is basically, these are some of the highlights of my business. I started a beginner made online business by following a blueprint. I will get into the details. I make 100% profit. I work a 2-hour workday. I don't do any cold calling. This is not MLM. There's no degree needed, no experience. You get a 24-hour automated system with this. My 2-hour workday. Basically, what this is promoting digital programs. We are in the e-learning industry. The business that I started was made for beginners. You do not need any kind of tech. You don't need anything. You just need to be willing to learn. You need to show up. You have to show up in order to be successful in this. Do the 2-hour workday. Set aside an hour for learning because this is something brand new. The 2-hour workday is broken down like this. 1 hour, create 3 pieces of content, pick one social media platform. You could do this. Yes, it is not that difficult. You learn how to create the content inside of the program. Basically, you're creating videos and posting it on a social media platform, which is free. The programs we promote, you choose one program. I will get to that in a little bit. So let's go back to the 2-hour workday. Half hour, you post free ads. You will learn how to do that inside of our program. The last half hour, respond to any comments or any emails that you would get. So we have an automated system. You would have an automated system. Basically, the 2-hour workday is something you're going to master. You're not going to get that right away. You have to learn how to master the 2-hour workday. You get pages out there. I'm going to show you in a second. This comes with an automated system. So these pages that I'm about to show you are out there working for you 24 hours around the clock. And one of them, I did not take a picture of my website, which I should have. Well, there's pieces of it in here. So I'm going to show you. When you go to Granny's Getting Paid, you'll see that right here. Okay, grannysgettingpaid.com. All right. This is my landing page. It is my capture page. Now, this may change. I just recently heard that we might be getting an upgrade. So this might change, but it'll be the same idea. Okay, you'll see a capture page or a landing page. Now, you put your email into that. So this actually builds an email list, which is very important in this business. You want to email list equals income. So you want to learn to build an email list. So you get this page, you get this page, and you get this page. All of them working for you, out there working for you. We all get these pages, okay? So let me get rid of that. You get these out there working for you. I love this. I love who it's for. If you are 18 to 80, you can do this. Anybody can do this. You just have to be these 3 things. You have to be willing to learn something new. You've got to be coachable and you have to show up. Just like you would a normal job, you want to show up for this. This is your business. Nobody puts their hand in your cookie jar. This is your business. So when I say you make 100% profit, you are making 100% profit. Now, let me quickly show you some screenshots. This I just took before I started the video. So another 9-day, do not give up on your dream. Please give me a hearing. Perhaps you have never heard it like this before. Yet I rest my case on the word of God. I don't know what he's talking about there, Paul is, but we get to share wins in our community. So there's a main community, and that has 50,000 people in it right now. I also have my own community. So this is from the main community. This is my community. You get to be a part of my community as well as the main community. And I should actually take a screenshot of the main one. I haven't done that, but I will. Um, this is my community. So when you purchase a program from me, let's go through these programs quickly. I promote 4 digital programs that I did not create that you would get to do too. Okay. If you come in the legacy, let's go over these 1, 3, 6, and 9. Those are hundreds. You pick a program that's going to teach you marketing skills. So inside of the program, when you purchase that program, basically what you're doing is purchasing a business in a box if you want to use it as a business in a box for beginners. That is what I would suggest. That is what I do. I turn around and promote the programs that are in the e-learning industry because these teach you digital marketing skills. But as a beginner, if you're just looking for a way to start a business, if you're looking for like a really pretty simple idea to start, this is beginner friendly because you are taught like step by step how to do the what to do. Then you will learn these marketing skills. You apply these marketing skills to that 2-hour workday, which is what do you creating your content. Okay, let me show you back here. Right there. So you take those marketing skills and then you put it into your content, and you can actually put that into your free ads. Free ads are just classified ad. It's just a classified ad. You learn this stuff in the program. Everything you literally need is inside of this digital program. You can purchase there's different people. You could purchase this program, learn the skills, and apply it to something like a business you have, or apply it to, anything that you could be doing. If you're an affiliate, if you are an influencer, if you are anything like that, marketing skills are important, especially in this digital age. So you learn these marketing skills and you take those skills and put them back into this business. You will start to see a learn and earn curve. You will be learning and earning at the same time. This is called the Legacy Builders Program. That's what I promote. And you'll see there are four programs here. Where's my hand? You'll see 4. Okay. So Legacy is 900. Let me show you. This is the Legacy. Okay. And you get all 4 programs in this. If you are located in the US, there are payment plans to choose from. If you are outside of the US, you would choose you're going to have to pay it upfront all at once because unfortunately there's no plan. But that's the Legacy. Our number one selling program is the Legacy. Now here's the 6, the 3, and the 1: Digital Mastery, Passive Daily Pay, and Launchpad. Now, whatever one you purchase, you get to promote that one and all the ones underneath that. If you came in on the Legacy, which is the 900, you would be able to promote the 6, the 3, and the 1. I always say just the number because of talking on different social media platforms. Sometimes when you talk about dollars, they get a little bit weird. So, especially on TikTok. So, I usually just go 1, 3, 6, and 9. These are hundreds. That's why I do that, in case you're wondering. And sometimes I'm so used to talking like that I bring it on here, and you're just like curious as to why, and that's why. So each of these, same thing as the Legacy. It just couldn't fit it on one page because that's on one page and this is on another page. Each one of these, if you are located in the US, you actually can choose the payment plan and you can choose whatever one works for you. I strongly suggest picking anything other than the 100 because the Launchpad, basically, when you get your website done for you, they make it for you. These are done for you, ready to turn around and promote, done for you programs, done for you digital products that you get to turn around and promote. So if you purchase the Launchpad, that's all you would be able to turn around and promote. So that's why I'm not a fan of turning around and just promoting that one. I would suggest any of the other 3. I personally, as soon as I found out I couldn't promote anything other than the 1, I chose the 9. So that's why I came in on the 9. My first sale, actually my first 5 sales were the 9, which is that it is our number one selling program. That gives you an idea of the programs. That gives you an idea of the pages that are out there working for you. I'm going to quickly show you some more screenshots. I do show this from time to time because we're not guaranteeing anything. There's no guarantee. There's no guarantee because we don't know what you're going to do. It would be like going to a gym. So you could just screenshot that if you like. And I'll show you some other wins. I did show you the other one. If you have been slow, hold on, 2,400. That 2,400, okay, is probably 3 sales. That would be my guess. I'm doing the math. Yeah, 3 sales. That would be 2 legacies and a digital mastery, which is this is from today. Like I said, I just screenshot these before I started to come create the video. And here's the next one. Just made my first 900 while eating pizza and watching Equalizer. It took them 8 months of being consistent. So everybody is on a different schedule. It is a business. It didn't take me that long, but everybody is different. So you have people that start this and they will make the sale in the first couple days, couple weeks, couple months. Everybody is different. It is a proven to work business. It does work. If you're going to follow a step-by-step program, this is the best beginner online business that I've ever been a part of. I love what I do. Um, you can do this, and you also get access to the main community as well as in addition to mine. So if you have questions, you can go to Granny's Getting Paid right there, grannysgettingpaid.com, put your email in, you'll get the details, you'll see the founder's video, then you can click on the button, go to the programs. If you have questions, just go back to your email, look for Paula, the Digital Granny. You will get an email from me right away, and that's because it's automated. Go there, and it might be in your junk, it might be in your trash. Go find it and then reply to that and ask me any questions. I'm always around. I will gladly answer your questions. Like I said, this has brought me from dashing to being at home, and I thank God every day. Thank him for bringing this to me because it is literally saving the kids and I. And I'm happy that I get to show up and share this. So if you want to know more, let me know. And God bless you. Have a great day or night.